Hi, meet Bruce. Bruce is the Chief Information Security Officer at Acme Corporation. Bruce is reading an online news story about a company that was recently breached and was now being sued by its customers in a class action lawsuit. Bruce shivers at the thought of what XYZ company's CISO must be going through in responding to a high-severity incident like a major breach. He can't imagine what it would feel like to have a prosecutor analyze every inch of their information security program. This is Mary. She's the Director of Incident Response and reports to Bruce. Mary explains that her group has a decent library of runbooks that outline the technical steps taken to respond to different attacks. Mary explains they have an incident response plan that integrates with the company's communications group. Bruce tells Mary that's encouraging information, but asks about their core business units, customer service, legal, privacy, marketing, regulatory affairs, and other key groups. Bruce tells Mary he'd like her to develop a comprehensive, integrated cyber crisis management plan that includes these groups, logistical details around cyber war rooms, and templates and checklists to help streamline the response. He tells Mary he'd also like to see detailed project activities for how the plan will be developed, how to train the key personnel on its use, and an approach to conduct quarterly tabletop exercises to validate each group's functional plan and ensure they're continuously improving. Contact Cyber Crisis Response today to help reduce cyber risk and increase organizational resilience. Cyber crisis management planning starts here.